Hey, I've got this TRUEplus Glucose Gel. This is a fast-acting carbohydrate. If you have type 1, which we're going to show you in just a second, this is going to be great because you're going to be able to take this. It's going to go ahead and elevate your sugar up. So on the back here, it tells you there's 80 calories. The main thing in here is maltodextrin and dextrose. Glucose level right now is 118. This is connected to an insulin pump right here on the arm. So she's going to go ahead and take this and get our feedback on the taste and texture.
Okay, we're going to give this a few minutes. My glucose levels were 118, and we're going to come back and revisit and see what it did.
All right, we're back. It's been a few minutes, and you can see we're up to 131 glucose level. So you got 19 carbs in here, 15 grams of sugar, which is a nice little combo. Definitely fast acting. Is this going to taste the best? Is it going to taste like ice cream? No, but it's not meant to. It's meant to take you out of a bottom, especially if you're extremely low. This is going to help get it back up quickly. It's a little bit better, in our opinion, than just eating regular food. So pick up this glucose gel by TRUEplus. They did a good job with this. That's a quick review, and thanks for watching.